Hey guys, this is Daddy Mike. Today I have a great ceiling fan to show you. The brand is LETITIAR, L-E-T-I-T-I-A-R. This is a 52-inch ceiling fan. It features a noiseless DC motor, and this fan is reversible also. It features an LED light that puts out 1500 lumens, but it only uses 18 watts, so it's very energy efficient. Has 3 different light settings. It has a 3000K warm setting, 4000K natural light, and 6500K daylight light. Has a multi-function remote control, so you control everything on the fan right from your remote. It features 3 natural wooden blades, which are lightweight and super quiet. And this fan has 6 different speeds. So let's take a look at all the parts, and then we're going to install it, so stick with me. So guys, the first step in mounting the ceiling fan is to mount this bracket to the ceiling using the 4 self-tapping screws that look like this. So we're going to do that now. Okay guys, so our next step is to mount the fan blades. So this side will be up where the wires are. Notice on your fan here there's a sticker that says this side up will go like this. So we need to just turn it over. So now we're going to take our spacer, put it right here, and then put our fan blade bolts in like this. Okay, so we do 3 blades just like this. Okay guys, so we got our fan blades on. So guys, next what we want to do is remove these 3 screws here, and then we're going to mount the LED light board. Now we're just going to place our light board, and we want to line up the 3 holes and feed the wire through. We're going to tighten these 3 screws, but don't over tighten. Next we're going to connect our wires. We snap our wires together here. Okay, the next step is to install the down rod. Now you can choose from a 5-inch down rod or an 8-inch down rod. We are going with the 5-inch. First thing you want to do is remove this pin and clip. Now we're going to put our canopy through like this. So next we're going to put the canopy cover on like this. So next we're going to put the coupling cover. So the next step is to loosen these 2 set screws. Loosen, but you do not need to remove them. So next we're going to feed our wires through the down rod. Okay, so very important, we don't want to miss this step. Now we want to put our pin back through the down rod, put our clip back on. Okay, and now we want to tighten the 2 set screws that we loosened earlier. So next we're going to wire up our receiver. It looks pretty simple. These 3 wires are going to wire up to the wires in the ceiling. The black is your live wire. White is neutral, and the green wire is the ground wire. Once these are wired to the wires in your ceiling, then we'll plug this in right here in the side, and then the wires coming from the motor will plug in to this side of the receiver, and we will tuck all of this up inside and out of sight. Once we have all the wiring and everything, then we're going to secure the canopy with the screws, and then we're going to put our lampshade cover on and we'll be finished. So now we're just going to put our lampshade on. So guys, the LETITIAR 52-inch 3-blade fan is installed. Let's turn on our light. This is the daylight light. To change warmness, you push the light off, back on, you get the medium warmness. So now this is the warmest light. This fan has 6 speeds. Push our fan. See, it's very quiet, puts out a really good amount of air. Very stylish. You can put this indoor or outdoor. You can reverse it. It also has a wind mode. Simulates different wind speeds. It also has a timer if you want to set it for like an hour when you go to bed, and then the fan will go off automatically. It has a 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour timer. So that's about it for the features on the remote and the fan. Very nice, very stylish, very quiet. So guys, please check out the LETITIAR 52-inch 3-blade fan.